Hello guys, and welcome back again to this new video. Again, let's practice some more with articles. So make sure you stop the recording, right? Or you mute me so that you can answer by yourself to these boxes and to these questions, basically, meaning which article should precede all of these nouns. Remember guys, you know this already. If you have seen my previous video, you know that the words in the boxes here require the same article. So, guys, let's start. Zaini, struzzi, aerei, evidenziatori. Zaini, struzzi, aerei, evidenziatori. Seems clear to me that we are in front of Z, vowels, S plus consonant. Therefore, all of those are plural, we'll put gli. Gli zaini, backpacks. Gli struzzi, ostriches. Gli aerei, planes. And then last one, gli evidenziatori, highlighters. Second box, caverna, caramella, mamma, pera. Perfect. So all ending with A, so I'm gonna use la. La caverna, cave. La caramella, candy. La mamma, mother, and then la pera, pear. Third box, we have panini, bicchieri, piedi, martelli. We have already encountered martelli because we saw in our previous video the word martello, hammer. Okay, so martelli being the plural. So, all of those nouns start with so-called regular letters. They end with I. All of those are masculine plural, so it's gonna be E, right? So we're gonna have I panini, sandwiches, let's say. I bicchieri, glasses to drink. I piedi, feet. And then I martelli, hammers. Next box. Zaino, zero, xylofono, scolaro. Zaino, backpack. Zero, zero. Xylofono is the xylophone. And scolaro, meaning student. Not necessarily scholar. I'm not translating approximately, but I'm saying that scolaro to me has the same meaning of student or student. So all of those nouns require lo. Lo zaino, lo zero, lo xylofono, xylophone, lo scolaro, student. Next box. So we have canzoni, cipolle, mattonelle, fotografie. So we have one irregular noun that is canzone. It's la canzone, le canzoni. The rest are regular nouns, meaning la cipolla, le cipolle, la mattonella, le mattonelle, and then la fotografia, le fotografie. So guys, the answer to this box is le. Le canzoni, songs. Le cipolle, onions. Le mattonelle, tiles. And then le fotografie, pictures. Last one. Alright, we have sentiero, manico, sindaco, bambino. So guys, all of them ending with O, all of them having regular initials, because even sentiero and sindaco, it's S followed by vowel. Therefore, the rule for law cannot be applied here. This article is going to be il. Il sentiero, truck. Il manico, handle. Il sindaco, mayor of a city, for instance. And then il bambino, the kid. And I'll talk to you some more next time.